Hello everyone, here we come up with a new video on suggested answers for May 2017 ITSM paper. Before we go further in this video, I want to tell you that in yesterday paper of ITSM, 50 marks paper came from video we have uploaded earlier. So coming back again to our video, firstly we are telling the suggested answers of information technology. The questions which are highlighted in the question paper are those which have come from video we have made earlier. So here we go. The answers of these questions can be found in study material. Question 1 first part is write any two principles of BPM. Its answer can be found on page number 1.11. Part B is what kind of awareness is required by an auditor for auditing in an IT environment. Its answer can be found on page number 2.8. Third part is what are the advantages of fiber optic transmission. Its answer can be found on page number 3.10. Part D is how does DSS help its users. Its answer can be found on page number 4.29. Part E is what are the components of computerized information processing cycle. Its answer can be found on page number 5.19. Question second is a flowchart. Those who have not the question paper with them can take the screenshot of this question. Question 3 part A is explain the different types of feasibility study done in the system investigation phase of SDLC. Its answer can be found on page number 2.43. Question 3 part B is explain any 4 advantages of using DBMS. Its answer can be found on page number 2.41. Question 4 part A is what are the characteristics of LAN? Its answer can be found on page number 3.14. Question 4 part B is what are the facts responsible for the occurrence of vulnerabilities in the software. Its answer can be found on page number 3.39. Question 5th part A is explain the different types of information system. Its answer can be found on page number 4.10. Question 5th part B is explain the prerequisites of acid test for any transaction processing system. Its answer can be found on page number 4.14. Question 6th part A is explain any 4 characteristics of cloud computing. Its answer can be found on page number 5.43. Question 6 part B is what are the generic reasons for going for business process automation. Its answer can be found on page number 5.8 as question why BPA. Question 7th part A is business process re-engineering short note. Its answer can be found on page number 1.16. Question 7 part B is read only memory. Its answer can be found on page number 2.30. Question 7 part C is hypertext transfer protocol secure HTTPS. Its answer can be found on page number 3.43. Question 7 part D is artificial intelligence. Its answer can be found on page number 4.51. Question 7th part E is network virtualization. Its answer can be found on page number 5.34. Now we are telling the suggested answers of strategic management. I want to tell you that in strategic management paper of 30 marks came from our video. Now starting with question 8, that is first question of strategic management. Part A is a manager faces different problems while trying to understand the environment. Discuss. Its answer can be found on page number 1.5. Part B is mention 3 characteristics that specify Six Sigma from other quality program. Its answer can be found on page number 7.19. Part C is Davis and Lawrence have proposed 3 distinct phases to develop matrix structure. Explain. Its answer can be found on page number 6.18. I want to tell you that we have marked part C as important and it came in compulsory question as it is. Now moving further, part D is briefly discuss the framework of strategic management. Its answer can be found on page number 2.8. Part E is discuss the characteristics of business environment. Its answer can be found on page number 1.7. Question 9 part A is state with reasons which of the following statement is correct or incorrect. Its first part is a corporate culture is always identical in all organization. Its answer can be found on page number 6.36. Part second is strategic management is a bundle of tricks and magics. Its answer can be found on page number 2.8. Question 9 part B is give various reasons to justify that a divisional structure is costly. Its answer can be found on page number 6.13. Question 10 is, what is supply chain management? Discuss major steps in implementing supply chain management system in a business organization. Its answer can be found on page number 5.17. In our video also, we have highlighted this question as very important and can come for 7 marks, and it came. Now moving further, next question, question 11, part A is, in the light of BCG growth share matrix, state the situations where which the following strategic options are suitable. First, build. Second, hold. Third, harvest. Fourth, divest. Its answer can be found on page number 3.21. Part B is, how ENSOP product market growth matrix is a useful tool for business organizations. Its answer can be found on page number 3.22. Question 12, part A is, Michael Porter has suggested 3 generic strategies. Explain them with examples. Its answer can be found on page number 4.12. Part B is, what are the strategic responses of an organization to its environment? Explain. Its answer can be found on page number 1.27. Question 13, part A is, question 13 is difference question. In part A is vision and mission. Its answer can be found on page number 2.13. Part B is co-generic merger and conglomerate merger. Its answer can be found on page number 4.28. Question 14 is, write short note on the following. Part A is strategic group mapping. Its answer can be found on page number 3.8. Part B is augmented marketing or internet technology. Augmented marketing can be found on page number 5.9. Internet technology can be found on page number 7.22. Those who not have the question paper can take the screenshot. We are going to show you the question paper. From our video, 50 marks of ITSM paper came in May 2017, 18 marks from IT and 32 marks from strategic management. So friends, here we end up with our video. We are going to come with some more videos on important questions for November 2017. So stay connected with us by subscribing our channel, and if you want to suggest some improvements in our video, please let us know by leaving a comment in comment box, and don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they can also take the benefit. And don't forget to like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.